If you're looking for a maintenance-free lifestyle and you're 55 years or older, you're in luck because the retreat at Laurelbrook has so much to offer. This model, the East End, features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and has so many custom features throughout. Stanley Martin offers anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and anywhere from 1 to 2 stories. Stanley Martin's floor plans in the retreat at Laurelbrook start at $332,000. But again, enough with all the facts. Let's go check out what you really want to see.